opportunities can seem out of reach, one program is breaking barriers and changing lives. Introducing the Start on Success program at Stafford County Public Schools. The SOS program is more than just a job opportunity. It's a pathway to success both academically and professionally. SOS student interns split their day between paid positions at major community businesses and classroom instruction.
The SOS program has helped refine my character. I've definitely learned a lot about myself and about working in a team setting.
SOS has helped my handwriting skills extremely. It's also helped my communication and typing skills.
I hope to gain real-life working tools, being more confident in my position where I am right now, and trying to pursue what I want to be when I'm done with this program.
Results speak for themselves. Over 4,000 students served with a post-secondary education or employment rate of 75 to 85%. Join us in celebrating success and empowering every student to reach their full potential. Start on Success, where every student's journey begins. For more information on this program, please visit www.staffordschools.net/startonsuccess.